Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Herry Irawan from Faculty of Economic and Business, Telkom University. Today, I would like to present our research entitled What User Mostly Discuss Before and After Launching of iPhone 11 Series, a Big Data Analytic Approach. My presentation will follow this agenda, consisted of research background, literature review, research methodology, data collection, data processing and analysis, and conclusion and future research. Start with research background. The innovative company will focus on new product development to maintain their competitiveness. In every stage of new product development, we can get feedback from others, including colleagues, user, and others. User-generated content, or we call it UCG, that come from social media can become one of main source to get feedback for our product. This kind of big data content need to be processed using data analytic. In this case, we use sentiment and topic modeling to reveal with the valuable insight for the companies. In terms of literature review, we focus on three main topics: new product development, sentiment analysis, and topic modeling. This is one of the reference related to new product development process. Every company will do their best to manage each stage of their new product development process. In this case, we try to focus on the capturing customer behavior before, during, and after launching. What they are mostly discussed about is an interesting topic to be revealed. In data analytic part, we use sentiment analysis and topic modeling to see the customer behavior that can be captured from their conversation on social media, such as Twitter. Sentiment analysis is study of social computing of opinion, assessment, and emotion of people to an entity, individual, problem, event, topic, and its attribute. In this case, we use naive Bayes algorithm. While topic modeling is computer algorithm that able to identify word pattern by using word distribution in document. The output is a set of topic that consists of collection of words that simultaneously appear in document in a particular pattern. In this case, we use latent deleted allocation (LDA) algorithm. Here is the research workflow. We start with the data collection. The data source are tweets from social media Twitter related to the keyword hashtag iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and Apple event 2019. For a month period in September 2019, we collect almost a total of 5.9 million tweets. And then we continue with the pre-processing stage. The purpose of pre-processing data is to clean the selected data for better quality. There are three processes, that is tokenization, filtering, and stemming. And next, we do the analysis using sentiment analysis to get positive and negative pattern of the discussion, and followed by topic modeling for each sentiment to reveal the most topic discussed in each stage, pre-launch, during launch, and post-launching. Here is just the illustration on how the sentiment analysis works. For each tweet, we identify whether the statements are tend to positive, negative, or just neutral statement. For instance, the statement iPhone overall camera quality better have value 1 on positive and 0 on others. Then the machine predict that this is the positive statement and go for the others statement as well. Okay, in the analysis part, after we process the data, using the sentiment analysis, we come up with the dynamic sentiment of iPhone 11 series. In this figure, we try to capture the dynamic of sentiment of the discussion in pre-launch and post-launch. In overall, the sentiment is dominantly positive in all periods, as we can see here in the green line. But in the launching period, we have a high discussion due to the fact that the review of the product start to be postponed the period. This could be happen because there is a non-disclosure agreement between Apple and several media that selected to review earlier about the new iPhone, and the review only can be released on September 17, 2019, because of that information have been released at the same time before about the new iPhone review. And then in the topic modeling, we analyze 4 topics for each sentiment, positive and negative for each stage, in pre-launch, launching day, and also post-launching. This is just showing an example for the pre-launching. We can see here for the negative sentiment, showing an ugly iPhone and camera become the dominant topic. Is it mean that the issue of or the rumor of the iPhone design has been known by the public? Therefore, this makes the negative topic leaning to discuss the issue or the rumor of the camera design of the iPhone has an ugly design. We also have for different topic, and also we have for the different sentiment, including the positive one. And then in this figure, if we try to resume the most discussed topic in every stage, pre, during, and post-launching, we can come up with this graphic. For instance, in upper graphic here, it shows that the camera become the feature that has been discussed before pre-release because of the issue and rumor of the new iPhone has 3 cameras. Following with the new color, feature that is different from the previous iPhone. Further discussed is about the quality of the video, followed by the size, and then display, and last about battery capacity. The most 3 topics in the pre and launching day are almost the same: camera, color, and video. While in post-launch, they are slightly different since the topic of battery goes up to the 3rd place. It is related with the discussion of the durability of the new iPhone battery that has better durability compared with the previous series. And then if we try to look the sentiment at the topic analysis for most frequent word, as we can see in this table, we can infer that most negative discussion relate with the design or layout of the camera. We come up here, the most frequent topic is camera for the negative one, and almost the same is about ugly iPhone camera, ugly seat camera, ugly seat camera, ugly. And in the positive discussion, mostly relate with the excitement of customer for the iPhone launch, and then their impression of the new color, which is green, is also related. Also with the camera has better quality. Okay, from the result, we try to make a conclusion. First, by using the public opinion data from social media such as Twitter, we have been managed to implement the method for analysis, summarize, and extract a large number of tweets correctly in case study of pre, during, and post-launch of iPhone series. And then There are slightly different positive topics that has been discussed in pre, during, and post-launching of iPhone 11, but there is consistently negative topic in all stages related to the design or layout of the camera. And then for the next research topic, we can try to analyze the pattern of discussion, sentiment, and topic in each product launching. For instance, in different series, that could potentially reveal the new insight for company. I think that's all for our research. I hope you all can get the idea of our research and can have a new insight of how to get opinion from the customer using social media content such as Twitter. That's all from me. Thank you for the attention.